turtle. Then let's set the pen, which is going to be turtle. And then screen, which is going to help me draw the shape on the screen. Now let's set the pen size, which is going to be t.width followed by 3. Now we are going to draw a triangle. We need 3 sides each time we move forward, turn left by 120 degrees. T.forward, and here we're going to turn it somewhere around 100 steps ahead, T.left by 120 degrees. Now as triangle has 3 sides, we'll have to repeat these 2 lines of codes for 3 times. So let me just copy it, paste it one more time. Now if I run it, I am getting a triangle. But of course, here you will see that we are repeating ourselves. That's where loops come in. With a loop, we can tell the computer to repeat the same steps without writing the same code again and again. So now let's try to use, in Python, basically we have 2 kinds of loops. One is for loop, another is while loop. For loop works with a specific number of repetitions, whereas while loop works with condition. We will discuss them in further lessons. Now here, we are going to use the for loop that says for I in a range. Here I is a variable. For is a reserved keyword which has been reserved in the Python's library, and range is a function that helps you to write the range till where you want to repeat the code. As I want to repeat the code for 3 times, I'll have to write 3 inside this bracket. Then I'm going to use the same code, that is t.forward followed by 100 and t.left 120 degrees. Now if we pay attention a little bit, we are indeed writing these same line of codes again and again. So if I delete this and I run it, I'll get the same output. Now we get the same circle, but with the just 3 lines of code. But loops even get cooler. What if we want to draw any shape, not just a triangle? The trick is simple. The turning angle depends on the number of sides. Let's see how that goes. I'm going to add a variable over here named as sides. And here I'm going to keep it as 6. Suppose I want to draw a hexagon now. Now the formula simply says there is a variable angle which will help me to divide 360 by the number of sides. So for a regular polygon like square, rectangle, octagon till decagon, we can use this generic formula. And now instead of repeating for 3 times, I will replace this 3 by sides, which means whatever will be the side of the shape, we are going to write the number of sides here and divide it by 360. So let's see, it should get, and also we will make sure that we are talking about the angle. So here we need to update the angle. It's not going to be 120 anymore, it will be the angle. So when it is a square, if we divide 360 by 4, we get 90 degrees. If we divide 360 by 6, we are going to get the angle responsive for this one. So let's try it and see if we are getting a hexagon. By changing just one number, you can make triangle, squares, pentagon, or regular polygon. Now here's a challenge for you. Try different number of sides. Can you make 7-sided regular polygon or maybe 12-sided polygon? Experiment and see what happens. And don't forget to tell me in the comments. I'll be reading it. Today, we learned how loops helps us to avoid repetition and how angles let us draw a regular polygon. Next time, we'll add colors and loop to make a colorful spidergram. So if you enjoyed this, subscribe for fun Python projects. I'll see you in the next one.